If you've come to love that deep, nourishing comfort of a good bone broth, I have something truly remarkable to share with you today. What if I told you that the modern bone broth we all cherish, as good as it is really just a shadow of the broth that Jesus and his disciples likely drank every single day? What if the original recipe, a preparation with a completely different level of healing power, has been lost for 2,000 years until right now? Well, let's dive into this, because today we are going to reconstruct that very recipe piece by piece.
Now, before we go any further, it is so important that we're all on the same page. This is for educational and informational purposes only. It is absolutely not a substitute for professional medical advice from a qualified expert. Please always consult with your trusted healthcare provider before making any big changes to your health routine. Okay? Great.
To really get this recipe, we need to kind of travel back in time, back to the rich, fertile world of 1st century Galilee. The rocky hillsides there were just covered in these wild, aromatic herbs, and people used them in their cooking every single day, not just for flavor, but for their truly profound healing properties. This right here, this is our first layer. Just try to imagine these herbs being gathered right from the hills. First up, we've got hyssop, an herb you've probably heard of from the scriptures. It gives us rosmarinic acid, which is fantastic for calming an overactive immune system. Then there's wild thyme, packed with thymol and carvacrol, two of nature's most powerful little fighters against germs. Next up is oregano, which has a fascinating compound that actually activates our body's own pain relief system. And finally, sage, which provides something called carnosickic acid, a powerful antioxidant that science is now showing helps protect our precious brain. You see, these weren't just garnishes, they were foundational medicine. So on top of that incredible herbal foundation, we get to add our second layer. You have to remember, Galilee was at a crossroads of the ancient world. The great spice trade routes passed right through, bringing some of the most powerful medicinal plants on earth from places like Arabia, India, and Africa right into their local markets and their kitchens. This added this extraordinary new layer of complexity to their daily broth. And would you look at the power of these spices? It's just incredible. We have turmeric with its curcuminoids, which literally help turn off the master genetic switch for inflammation in our bodies. Then you have black pepper, which was absolutely crucial because its piperine increases our ability to absorb all that good stuff from the curcumin by an amazing 2,000%. Then there's cinnamon, a sacred spice which helps reduce those little inflammatory messengers in the body. And then, the most sacred of them all, frankincense. When you dissolve it in the warm broth, it releases boswellic acids, which modern science confirms are just incredible for soothing joint inflammation. All right, so we have the herbs from the hills and the spices from the trade routes. The third and final layer brings us to the humble yet incredibly powerful foundation of the biblical kitchen, the everyday vegetables and aromatics that really formed the heart of their diet. And this is where it gets even more amazing. Garlic, with its compound allicin, offers just powerful support for our heart and our immune system. Onions give us quercetin, a flavonoid that actually protects the collagen we already have from being damaged. And its cousin, the leek, contains something called kaempferol, which stimulates our body to create new collagen. How cool is that? And finally, a generous pour of olive oil adds oleocanthal, a compound so effective that scientists have actually compared its anti-inflammatory action to ibuprofen. And remember, every single one of these compounds is completely missing from our modern bone broth. Now, we could stop right there and it would already be an incredible recipe. But the real secret, the divine intelligence, if you will, of this whole preparation, lies in a concept that modern science is just beginning to fully appreciate. It's not just about a list of ingredients, it's about the miracle of synergy. So, what on earth is synergy? Well, it's when 1 + 1 doesn't just equal 2, it equals 5, or 10, or maybe even 100. It's when different elements work together to create this combined effect that is just profoundly greater than what any one of them could ever do on its own. And this, right here, is the secret sauce of this ancient recipe. This just illustrates it so brilliantly. Look at how this all works together in this incredible chain reaction. We already saw how pepper boosts turmeric's power. Well, the healthy fats from the bone marrow and the olive oil are essential to unlock other key compounds, like the ones in frankincense. The sulfur from the garlic and onions helps strengthen the very collagen that the broth provides. And maybe most beautifully of all, the glycine from the bones themselves promotes that deep restorative sleep our bodies need to actually use all these compounds for repair. It's a complete self-reinforcing healing system, all in a single bowl.
And so, based on biblical references, historical records, and what we know from modern nutritional science, we can finally put all the pieces back together and reconstruct this lost recipe. And it is my absolute joy to share this with you so that you can bring this ancient healing wisdom right into your own home. Here it is, the sacred method. You start by simmering lamb or goat bones, which were the most common in the biblical world, for a good 12 to 24 hours with a splash of vinegar. That helps pull out all the good minerals. Then you add that trinity of onions, leeks, and garlic. You infuse it with those beautiful Galilean herbs, and then you stir in those powerful spices from the trade routes. Right at the very end, you finish with a generous pour of extra virgin olive oil. And for the final, sacred touch, you dissolve a tiny piece of pure frankincense resin into the hot broth just before you serve it. And here is a simple little checklist for you. Think of it as your shopping list for creating something truly special. You'll need lamb or goat bones, some wine vinegar, the allium trinity, onions, leeks, and garlic, your fresh herbs, hyssop, thyme, sage, and oregano, the essential spices, turmeric, black pepper, and cinnamon. And of course, a really good, high-quality, extra virgin olive oil and some food-grade frankincense resin. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. This all sounds amazing, but is it just, folklore? Well, that's where this story becomes truly powerful. Let's take a look at how modern science has actually come to validate this ancient wisdom. I want to read this quote to you because it's just so important. This is not ancient folklore being romanticized. This is ancient wisdom being validated by the most rigorous scientific institutions on Earth. This really bridges that gap between faith and reason, doesn't it? It just shows us the profound inherent wisdom that was present in these ancient traditions. Let's just look at a few quick examples here. That ibuprofen-like effect of oleocanthal from olive oil, published in the world-renowned journal Nature. The ability of boswellic acids from frankincense to reduce joint inflammation, that's documented in Phytomedicine. Curcumin's role as a master anti-inflammatory, confirmed in the journal Cancer Research. Even the broth's own glycine and its ability to improve our sleep quality has been validated in neuropsychopharmacology. So you see, this isn't just a collection of old wives' tales, it's a scientifically validated healing protocol. So the most important part is, what do we do with this beautiful knowledge? Well, here is my heartfelt invitation to you. I invite you to make this sacred broth this week, to experience it for yourself. If this has touched your heart, please share this with someone you love who might benefit from it. And I hope you'll subscribe for more of this profound biblical health wisdom. And, as always, please remember to speak with your doctor before making any significant changes to your health routine. You see, this isn't just a recipe, it's a heritage. It's a connection to an ancient faith and a forgotten wisdom that science is now proving to be more true and more powerful than we ever could have imagined. So I leave you with this one question. From my heart to yours, are you ready to bring this ancient healing into your home? Thank you so much for joining me today.